A very good morning to all. Today, we are moving on to a new topic in maths, that is about story sums. Story sums on subtraction. So let's learn about story sums and let's see how we can solve it. Let's see the first question. Anna had 5 chocolates. So you can see 5 chocolates here. She gave away 3. How many chocolates did Anna have left? So, this girl Anna have how many chocolates? She have 5 chocolates with her. And she gave away 3 chocolates. Okay, so she gave away 3. So, let's cut 3. 1, 2, 3. And you have to find how many chocolates are left with Anna. So, she gave away 3. So, how many left with Anna? 2. So, 5 minus 3 equal 2. When you take away 3 from 5, you get the answer as 2. You subtract 3 from 5. What is the answer you get? You get the answer 2. Next problem. You have 6 ice creams. So, do you all like ice cream? So, imagine you have 6 ice creams with you. And you ate 3 of them. So, you ate 3 of them. So, 1, 2, 3. So, you ate 3 of them. How many ice creams do you have left? So, how many remaining with you now? You had 3. So, how many remaining with you? You have only 3. So, 6 minus 3 equal 3. When you take away 3 from 6, what do you get? You get the answer as 3. So, 6 minus 3 equal 3. So, you have only 3 ice creams left with you. Okay, page number 59. So, there it is written number families. See here, you can see 3 numbers. Which are the 3 numbers? 7, 3, 4. And can you say which number is the biggest number? 3, 7 or 4? Which one? 7. So, 7 is the head of the family. 7 is the head of this family. So, with these 3 numbers, let's do addition and subtraction. See, 3 plus 4. First, we'll add these numbers together. 3 plus 4. So, what is 3 plus 4? 3 plus 4 equal 7. Now, let's change the order. In the place of 3, let's write 4. And in the place of 4, let's write 3. So, 4 plus 3 equal 7. So, I mentioned while studying addition, I already mentioned when we change the order of numbers in addition, then also we get the same answer. This is what we get here. See, 3 plus 4 equal 7. And I changed the order. In the place of 3, I wrote 4. And in the place of 4, 3. So, what is 4 plus 3? 7. So, 3 plus 4 equals 7 and 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Now, let's do subtraction. So, which number is the biggest number? 7. So, in subtraction, we always take away from a bigger number. We always subtract from a bigger number. So, let's subtract 4 from 7. Okay, that is 7 minus 4. So, what is 7 minus 4? 3. Now, let's take 3. Now, let's subtract 3 from 7. So, what is 7 minus 3? That is 4. So, likewise, let's do the exercise. So, which are the numbers given here? 4, 1, 3. Right. So, can you say which is the biggest number? Biggest number is 4. So, what is the symbol? The symbol is plus. So, it means addition. So, first one, let's do 1 plus which number here? 3. So, what is 1 plus 3? 1 plus 3 equal 4. Now, let's change the order. Okay. In place of 1, let's write 3. And in place of 3, let's write 1. So, what is the answer? 3 plus 1 equal 4. So, even if you change the order, in addition, you will get the same answer. Now, let's do, what is the symbol? Minus. Minus means subtraction. So, from which number we need to subtract 3? Let's subtract from the bigger number. So, that is 4 minus 3. So what is 4 minus 3? 1. Then let's subtract 4 minus 1. So what is 4 minus 1? 3. So likewise, let's do this one. So which are the three numbers given here? 8, 5, 3. So which is the biggest number? 8. So first one is addition. So 5 plus 3. So what is 5 plus 3? 8. Then let's change the order. 3 plus 5. So what is 3 plus 5? 8. Now it is subtraction. So 8 minus 3. That is 5. Right. So next 8 minus 5. That is 3. Understood? So what about this one? 6, 4, 2. So which is the biggest number? 6. So first let's do the addition. 4 plus 2. What is 4 plus 2? 4 plus 2 equal 6. Then we'll change the order and write 2 plus 4. 6. Again we get the answer as 6. Next we'll do subtraction. So 6 minus 2. That is 4. Then 6 minus 4. That is 2. Understood? So let's see the next one. 10, 2, 8. So which is the biggest number? 10. So let's first one is addition. So 2 plus 8. What is 2 plus 8? 10. Then let's change the order. 8 plus 2. That is 10. Let's do the subtraction. That is 10 minus 8. What is 10 minus 8? That is 2. Then 10 minus 2. That is 8. Okay. Arun and Rahul are best friends. So you can see these two kids. So one day, this little boy, Arun, brought 10 marbles to Rahul's house. And he told Rahul that he closed his eyes, that Arun closed his eyes and asked Rahul to pick any number of marbles from his hand. So this little boy, Rahul, picked some marbles and hid in his palm. And after that, this Arun calculated and he told the exact number of marbles taken by Rahul. But this Rahul was very surprised. How did he calculate that? Then Arun told that I calculated by subtracting the number of marbles in my hand from the total number of marbles. How many marbles were there total? 10. And he subtracted the number of marbles in his hand from total number of marbles. And he got the number of marbles which is left with Rahul. So this is how we can calculate many things which is around us. Okay. Coming to the next one, this is also an exercise. So here you can see both addition and subtraction. So what you have to do here is, when you subtract or when you add numbers, you get numbers more than 5, you get numbers less than 5, and even you get number equal to 5. So what you have to do here is, if you get a number which is more than 5, you have to color that red. Okay. And if you get a number which is less than 5, what you have to do? You have to color it green. And if you get a number which is equal to 5, what do you have to do? You have to color that fish yellow. Okay, so let's do it. So first one is 10 minus 6. So what is 10 minus 6? So you can just draw sticks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And cut 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many remaining? 10 minus 6 equal 4. So tell me, 4 is less than 5 or more than 5? It is less than 5. So you have to color green. So you have to color this fish green. Okay, let's see the next one. It is, what is the sign? The sign is plus. So it is addition. So you have to add 6 plus 2. So imagine you have 6 apples with you. And I give you 2 more apples. So how many apples do you have? Have 8 apples. So what is 6 plus 2? 6 plus 2 equal 8. And is this 8 more than 5 or less than 5? It is more than 5. So you can color this fish red. Coming to the next one. 8 minus 2. So imagine you have 8 apples with you and I took away 2 apples from you. So how many apples do you have now? You have 6. So 6 is less than 5 or more than 5? It is more than 5. So which color? You can color the fish red. See the next one. Is this addition? This is plus. So it is addition. So 2 plus 1. When you add 1 to a number, you get the next number. You get the number just after. So what is 2 plus 1? 2 plus 1 equal 3. So it is more than 5 or less than 5? It is less than 5. So you have to color green. You have to color this fish green. Let's see the next one. 3 plus 4. So what is 3 plus 4? 3 plus 4 equal 7. So 7 is more than 5 or less than 5? It is more than 5. So you have to color it red. Coming to the next one. 2 plus 3. So what is 2 plus 3? 2 plus 3 equal 5. So it is equal to 5. So you have to color the fish yellow. Coming to the next one. 8 minus 6. So what is 8 minus 6? So what is the answer? 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 equal 2. So it is more than 5 or less than 5? It is less than 5. So you have to color it. You have to color it green. What is 7 plus 2? 7 plus 2 equal 9. So it is more than 5 or less than 5? It is more than 5. So you have to color it red. Then next one, 9 minus 1. So what is 9 minus 1? 9 minus 1 equal 8. So 8 is more than 5 or less than 5? It is more than 5. So you have to color it red. So coming to page number 61, there is a small activity for you. So you can see in the textbook, there are some following lines are given. So what you have to do is, you can take your notebook and just write there. So let's see that line. 5 smileys in a tray, 1 smiley rolled away. So 5 smileys, from that 5 smileys, 1 smiley rolled away. So how many are there? 4. 4 smileys in a tray, 1 smiley rolled away. So how many smileys are there? 3. And then 3 smileys in a tray and 1 rolled away. How many are there? 2. So what you have to do is, you have to continue this pattern. You can write this down in your notebook. You can complete this down in your notebook and you will get to understand more about subtraction. Okay. Coming to the next one, subtraction story sum. So let's read this and let's do with this. So the first one, here you can see a little girl and her teacher. So the teacher returned back a color pencil kit. Okay, a color pencil kit to this little girl named Aisha. In this color pencil kit, there were 9 color pencils. How many color pencils? 9 color pencils. And she came to know that 2 of these pencils did not belong to her. And do you know what happened then? This little girl returned back these 2 pencils to the teacher. So, this teacher gave her a pencil kit which contained 9 color pencils, and this little girl gave back 2 pencils back to the teacher because it did not belong to her. So here what you have to calculate? Here we have to calculate how many pencils are left with this little girl Aisha. So she had 9 and she gave away 2. So how many left with her? You can just draw sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you can cut 2. So how many are left there? 7. So there are only 7 pencils left with Aisha. 2 doesn't belong to her, so she gave it back. So there is a question, why is it important to be honest? Is it important to be honest? Yes, we should be honest. We should be free enough to show our honesty. Let's see the next exercise. You can see a little boy named Rohan. So Rohan saw a jar full of nuts and he wanted that nuts. So do you know what he did? So he put his hand and tried to take out nuts. So he tried to take out 8 nuts at the same time. But he was not able to take off his hand from the jar. And he started crying and his mother came. His mother came and told him he can drop down 5 nuts into the jar. Okay, so what did this boy do? He dropped 5 nuts into the jar and took back the remaining nuts. So we have to find how many nuts are left with this little boy Rohan. So see, he took 8 nuts and from the 8 nuts, he dropped how many nuts? 5. So how many are left with him? He has only 3 nuts left with him. So that is about the story sums on subtraction. So that's all for today. So let's discuss the remaining exercise in the next class. Till then, thank you.